Hey guys, this is AJ from Savory Thoughts, and I'm going to show you today how to clean your turkey. If you're using the sink like I'm about to, make sure that everything around it is disinfected, including the counters, in order to reduce any type of cross-contamination. So first things first, let's remove our turkey from the package. Before you do anything to your meat, make sure that it is fully defrosted. Your turkey will come also with a package inside it that contains the giblets. I'm not gonna use it for mine, but a lot of people do use it. The livers, the giblet, it's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna put those aside. You can either choose to do it in the sink, or you can do it in clean the turkey in a stock pot if you have one big enough. This is about a 15-pound turkey, so therefore it's a lot easier to just do it in the sink. This is about 2 gallons of water, enough to pretty much cover the turkey as much as possible. And then, as you can see, I'm using lemons. We're adding 2 cups of vinegar into the water. And now we can get started into actually cleaning the meat. Don't worry, this process is not gonna alter the taste. Whatever seasoning you're gonna use, it's not gonna alter the taste. You're not gonna taste neither the lemon or the vinegar in the meat. Right now we are completely disinfected, removing any type of bacteria or anything that it may have in order to make it safe for you to eat. Don't be afraid to get these things in the water, squeeze them so all the juices gets in here. I also like to scrape any excess feathers. Alright, so once you're done cleaning and you're content, as you can see, it didn't take that long. We're gonna rinse it under cold water. Season it as you wish, and enjoy your holiday.